Now, how I have made over 5,000 US dollars, okay, in affiliate ClickBank commissions in less than 7 days with TikTok ads. Now, as you can see over here, right, my strategy is personally I run also Google pay-per-click ads mostly, but I also do TikTok organic and TikTok paid traffic. Okay, the beauty of TikTok in 2026 is that it's all faceless. Okay, so you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to do live like TikTok shop affiliates are doing. No, you basically what you do, you see, you go choose an offer on ClickBank. It can be in manifestation space, digital product, even weight loss supplement. Okay, and what you do it, you put it in front of the buyer's audience, right? Because people are already framed. The mindset on TikTok is they go there to buy products. Don't have to believe me, Google it. Now the beauty of this is you can see over here 33,000 likes I got, 6,500 profile views, and 325,000 video views. Now let me prove it to you with AI. Okay, so you can ask AI about this kind of stuff. As you can see over here, right? Like you can see, yes, $5,000 from 312,000 views or video views, let's call it in this case, is actually pretty good result, right? So you see, even the AI is telling you that it can work out. Okay, now I'm not using AI, and the reason why again is because it does not have human emotion, human psychology. Yes, it can help you as a crutch, but let's be honest, you cannot use it as a way to make affiliate marketing work for you 100%. Okay, otherwise you would be watching this video right now, right? True. So let me show you something very important over here. Now, how this is done in 2026. You see, okay, again, it's all about buyer's traffic. Now, when you're doing Google ads, in this case, TikTok, for example, right? Traffic, we're always looking for proven buyers, basically buyer's intent. Why? Because you don't want to waste money on clicks and time on curiosity clickers, people who are only curious to see what's on the other side of that weird, ugly image you have or weird, ugly video you are having, right? You catch lots of fish, but they don't go through. They don't pull their credit card. We like to say people vote with credit cards. Okay, so the goal is they watch the video, they click to your quiz funnel or website, and from there they go to ClickBank video sales letter, VSL we call it, right? And they buy it via debit card or credit card. So that's how it works in a nutshell, right? Now, let me show over here. The most important thing is that there are 5 stages of awareness levels. So you have to know exactly what kind of video, especially with TikTok, you're going to use to different kind of audience. We have males and females, and human psychology is different for those two, right? We have problem-aware audiences, you have totally unaware audience, so you cannot use exact same language, exact same targeting like you will be using for someone who is already most aware, right? They know they have a problem, they know they have a pain, they know they need a solution, right? For example, if I cut my arm, I'm bleeding, okay, it's a bleeding problem, it's right now hot, proven problem. I need solution right now. That's what we are doing with ClickBank affiliate marketing. We're looking for people who need solution right now at this moment, not tomorrow, not next year, today. Okay? So as you can see over here, right? All you have to do in 2026, all you have to do is you have to pick one ClickBank offer. Again, we are showing and teaching to our students exactly how to do this. Okay, we give them done for you exact offer to promote that we are also successful with. Okay, so you're not split testing, you're not wasting months, you're not wasting money on ads and hoping something sticks, because it doesn't work that way anymore. Okay, it's not 2012 where you could just throw something and make lots of money on ClickBank. No, it works differently. And yes, it's still possible to make it happen in 2026 as a beginner. Even if you have failed before, even if you have tried some ads and lost money, it's not your fault. Okay? So this can work for you. Please listen carefully. This can work for you even if you have never made $1 online. Okay? Even if you don't have any IT skills, you have never had any website done by yourself, you don't have any following on TikTok or any audience. Okay? Because this is not about the following. This is about the method to get your offer product from ClickBank as an affiliate in front of the audience, in front of the eyeballs, the right type of audience, right? In some cases, you can have millions of views and zero sales. Why? Because this is the wrong type of audience. Okay, wrong type of audience. Okay, so that's very important, and this can work for you even if you work full-time job right now. Even if you work 9 to 5, you can do this if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day. Okay, without doing any videos yourself, and of course without putting your face out there on camera. Okay, so let me ask you this: what's really holding you back? Okay, maybe you have bought courses in the past. Maybe you have Googled different options to make money online. Maybe you have tried, I don't know, Kindle, Amazon FBA, MLM, I don't know, direct sales, even maybe affiliate marketing, and you have failed. And you're thinking, heck, what is actually working right now in this moment? Okay, as you watch this video right now. So the most important thing is you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. This is the most important thing out there. Okay, yes, you can follow some course, some outdated methods from some gurus, but the truth be told, you need exact method and framework fundamentals of human psychology with marketing that's actually applied on TikTok or even Google pay-per-click ads. That's what you need. That's all you need. The right offer, the right targeting, and that's what we provide. Okay, so that's very important, right? Now you can see some of the results the students are getting with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, English is her second language, as you can see over here, right? So this is what we do together one-on-one, and this is what ClickBank affiliate marketing has allowed me to do. Now, if you're ready to start, as you watch this video, right? If you want to have results, if you are serious, if you're action taker, not excuse maker, we pick one offer on ClickBank, done for you. Pick one traffic source. In this case, can be TikTok. Okay, does really well, or even Google pay-per-click ads. Both are working really, really well. Depends entirely on up to you which way you want to go. And then we scale together one-on-one what actually works. So as you watch this video right now, you have my WhatsApp, yes, personal cell phone number. You have my email, Facebook Messenger, okay, where you can connect with me one-on-one after watching this YouTube video. So you have links in the description. You can reach out to me personally. Yes, I answer personally. There's no AI chatbot or email support. No, personally, because I believe if you want to have results in 2026, you need to have someone personally who can help you one-on-one to actually give you, let's say, exact method, exact frameworks that are proven to work, okay, that are proven to convert. So you can deploy and install this traffic method for yourself in 2026 and start having daily sustainable results by someone who can handhold you along the way. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.